Chinese AI startup DeepSeek is making global headlines. Its app shot to the top of download charts and even caused a dip in US tech stocks. The company released models like DeepSeek R1 on par with those from giants like OpenAI, but at a fraction of the cost and open source. These bold moves are shaking up the AI industry and challenging the biggest players. Alongside DeepSeek, robotics firms Unitree and Deep Robotics are taking on Boston Dynamics with their advanced robot dogs. Video game studio Game Science, known for last year's hit Black Myth: Wukong, and brand machine interface company Branco, which has secured over $200 million in funding, are all making headlines. Additionally, Manicotech excels in 3D interior design software. Collectively, these 6 innovative companies are dubbed the 6 little dragons of Hangzhou. So, why is Hangzhou the birthplace of these rising stars? Pro-business support is key. Hangzhou's local government takes a hands-off approach unless needed. When businesses face obstacles, officials step in to solve real problems. For example, they fast-tracked the approval of the game Black Myth: Wukong and provided patent pre-examinations for Unitree robotics. The government also offers direct financial aid, such as early-stage financing and special funding. It even provides real-world test environments and leverages major events like the Asian Games and the Spring Festival Gala to showcase new tech. Most importantly, it fosters an innovation-friendly environment where trial and error are encouraged. Also, the city has a thriving digital economy. Hangzhou is home to tech giants like Alibaba and NetEase. These companies have built strong industrial clusters in e-commerce, fintech, and cloud computing. Their presence fuels the growth of related industries and provides startups with valuable application scenarios and technical support. With top-tier institutions like Zhejiang University, Hangzhou produces a steady stream of highly skilled professionals in science and technology. The city also offers attractive welfare policies to draw talent from both China and abroad, consistently ranking among the top cities for net talent inflow. Startups in Hangzhou benefit from a broad range of funding sources, including government-backed funds, industrial investments, and private capital from traditional manufacturing sectors. These options provide financial support at every stage of business growth. Hangzhou's prime location also comes into play. Situated in the Yangtze River Delta Economic Circle, the city has easy access to major economic hubs like Shanghai, making market expansion and business partnerships more convenient. Additionally, the city's long-standing commercial heritage has nurtured a strong culture of entrepreneurship and innovation. With all these advantages combined, Hangzhou has rightfully earned its reputation as China's Silicon Valley, a model for cities aspiring to be tech powerhouses.